Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So BTC is still in resistance, but we see an acceleration from the or an acceleration to the upside in upside momentum within the resistance area. So we want to talk about what's happening here. For now, no change. I do have 5 waves up from the low. That is not a surprise, given that this here should be a C wave up. So we have 5 waves up from that swing low from Sunday. And again, that can easily be a C wave. That can be a C wave, which becomes, however, less likely as a C wave if the price breaks above 110,923, because that would be a break above standard resistance. If we get 5 waves up followed by 3 waves down and a break above the Thursday high, that would mean, in my view, that the correction is over. So it would then basically be something like that. Yeah, the yellow scenario, that we have a C wave down. And how would that look like? So we want to talk about that. First of all, we haven't broken above resistance, but the structure has been morphing, as corrective waves always do. The structure has been morphing and changing. But again, I'm witnessing here the development of 5 waves. Again, 5 waves up is not necessarily enough to confirm that we've bottomed. It is likely just a C wave of wave 2, at least in the white scenario. But let's talk about yellow. Direct bullish count. If we get 5 up, 3 down, then this would be a setup for those who are interested in getting positioned, okay? If there is a 1-2 setup. So these are the setups we've seen over the last few days, weeks, right? We had a 1-2 setup here for, I can't remember, where was it? Here? Somewhere. We had a 1-2 setup and the price escalated higher. Okay, I had this support area, which kind of some might have used as a setup, but again, I called it weak support. It's been holding though. But if we get another 5 up, which we have now, but then also a 3 wave move down, that might be a setup that those should use who are afraid of getting left out, right? Those who are not positioned yet and are hoping for a larger pullback or something. But if we see 5 up, 3 down, that's a signal. What can I say? What can I tell you? It's I often get it with people who are waiting. Then you see it in the comments, the frustration. People who wait for deeper pullbacks, and that sometimes might not happen. I mean, we're still in a bullish market. I tried to double down on that in the previous update, and then they don't use the micro setups that come up, in these updates about smaller, where we look at the intraday structures, and then they just don't act. I can't. Essentially, everybody has to have their own trading plan. That's what I want to double down on here. But yeah, so resistance isn't broken yet, but whenever I see an increase in momentum within a resistance area, that's like a signal, okay? So I'm basically waiting to see the structure of the next pullback. If that is corrective, then, and we break out of the high, break out above the high from Thursday, that's where I'm going to position that green line. That is here at around 112K. Then that would confirm the correction is over. A breakout alone is a signal, yes, but best would be 5 up, 3 down, then a breakout. So yeah, that's the update on Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.